Awesome. Hey everyone, Dr. Angie again, and I have Jayla here, so we're going to show a little bit of treatment for lower back pain today. So when people have that tightness or whether they're having sciatic pain, this is something that you might get when you're here. All right, let me have you start out face down for me. I'll drop this a little bit. Cool.
Nice little ride.
I wish these went a little faster, but I understand why they're slow. Jayla working hard all day, standing, leaning, helping with patients.
Yeah, this is gonna feel good.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that little lift and twist here.
Okay.
Good. Good. Also, just because you're moving so much, we're gonna get into that TL junction here. Breath in for me. And breathe it all out. Good. Nice. And a little bit on the other side. Little lift and twist here. Good. Nice. All right, and then go ahead and lay on your side facing me. Ugh. We're gonna bend this top leg. Good. Second arm. We're gonna hold elbows. There you go. Breath in here and breathe it all out. Good. Awesome. Easy. Nice. And to the other side. Same thing, we're going to bend this leg and slide this one forward. I'm going to tuck that bottom hip under a little bit. Perfect. Good. You got it. Breath in here and breathe it all out. Good. Nice. And flat on your back for me. Good. I'm going to do a little hip traction for you.
Okay.
Good. Awesome. Good. Same thing here. Let it relax with me. Little pull. Awesome. All right. Now that I pulled you down, you might want to slide up just a teensy bit. There you go.
So don't miss the
platform. And we'll come on up. Yeah. Don't want you to just slide all the way down.
It's such a beautiful view.
Isn't it? The clouds in the sky. Awesome.